Welcome to Best India Reviews. If you want the best product at the right price, you're in the right place. Let's get into it.
In this video, we will share the best sharpening whetstones you can buy in India. Before we begin, please subscribe to our channel and support us for more helpful videos. We will start from the last pick and move up to the best one. Please check the video description for the product links and latest prices. We have analyzed and compared many sharpening whetstones and picked these top options for you based on our research and analysis. In this video, we have highlighted the key features and benefits of each sharpening whetstones so you can easily compare them and choose the one that suits your needs. To know the product price details, please see the video description. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Let's discuss what to consider when buying sharpening whetstones. First, think about the grit level, as it determines how coarse or fine the sharpening will be. Lower grit stones remove material quickly, while higher grits refine and polish the edge. Next, consider the stone material. Natural stones offer a unique feel, while synthetic ones provide consistent results and are easier to maintain. You should also check the size and shape of the stone to match your knife type and workspace. Another key point is water or oil usage. Some stones require soaking, while others need only light lubrication. Lastly, assess durability and price balance, since a quality stone can last for years with proper care. Choosing wisely ensures sharper tools and a better sharpening experience. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel.